Gunman.
Using the first fighter, what I'm out of the group. Yesterday, weighing officially 130.3 pounds. He wears the red with white trunks. He has only one duty representing Dr. K. Boxing. Heading from Osaka City, Misaki Subsidiary. Please welcome boxer John Ray Cuyos. And he's the one fighting out of the red corner. He wears the black with white three trunks. He's weight 100.
Hey guys, magandang laban to guys.
This is professional big. Ladies and gentlemen, representing Zigzag Boxing Team, Boxer Jeric Orbita.
Magandang laban to.
And your performance, all professional.
Parehas to guys, parehas to mga baguhan.
Okay, boxer, schedule 4 rounds of this round supplementary.
Parehas baguhan to guys.
Bawat knockout tadi. That's all.
Para sa baguhan to si Orbita at si Cuyos.
Beginning of the first round.
Beginning of the first round. Itong
Let's
si si Orbita is
From Sipsanman.
black trunks, red trunks naman si Jeric Orbita, si Cuyos naman is black. No, Orbita yung naka-black. Red si
Cuyos yung
Cuyos.
naka-red
Oh, yes.
red
Nice
trunks.
1-2 by Orbita. Nice 1-2 by Orbita.
Nice body shot.
Nice body shot by Orbita.
Maganda to partner kasi southpaw tsaka
Yes,
orthodox yung
partner.
naglaban ngayon. First time.
Ito lang partner, nakatakot sa headbutt partner.
Oh, nakatako sa effort yung ganitong. Nasaktan ng body shot si Cuyos partner. Tinamaan ng body shot.
Ito yung nakatakot partner.
Wow, good hook coming from
Sa headbutt
Corqueta.
partner eh.
Orbita.
Sa headbutt talaga partner. Mukhang mahirapan eh. Nice 1-2 by Cuyos. Nice body shot by Orbita partner.
Good straight. Basta parehong gigil.
Yes.
No, partner.
Yes partner kasi alam mo naman partner, baguhan pa partner.
No, naranasan mo rin yan.
Yes
No,
partner.
Kita-kita
Diyan
kayo.
tayo nagsimula partner eh.
Coming from Cuyo, Orbeta. Si Orbeta partner tinatarget niya yung body ni Cuyos kasi sa tingin niya na parang nasasaktan eh. Good.
Nice
Good
body
straight
shot
hook,
by-
straight hook yun partner.
Nice uppercut by Cuyos. Nice uppercut din kay Orbita guys.
Good exchange for both boxers.
Good round by Orbita.
No, good round for both boxers.
seconds out. You're ready.
Ayan.
Round number 2. Here we go.
Round number 2 na.
Second round. Boxer Orbita wearing the black.
Although lahat po sila na both boxers magagaling. Pero may
Boxer
sa dalawang boxer meron talagang nangingibabaw.
Cuyos wearing the red.
May nangingibabaw talaga yung talent. May nangingibabaw talagang talent. Nice straight Barobeta partner, grabe. Nice body shot by Orbita. Ganda. Nice counter din. Ayun, parang nasakta na si partner eh.
Kuyos.
Si Kuyos, nasakta na siya sa body shot ni Orbita. Kanina pa yan partner eh.
Nahahalata na din ni Orbeta partner.
Yes,
na
partner,
nasaktan
kaya-
talaga si Kuyos.
Yun!
Yun!
Yun, partner. Yun sinasabi ko, partner.
Yun talaga. Kasi nagpapahalata siya eh. So, yun na yung target ni Orbeta. Sayang. Pero, lalaban pa rin. Gustong tapusin yung round.
Yes, partner.
Target na ni Orbeta yung
Yes,
shot ni-
partner,
ni-
kahit mahina lang partner yung partner, yung suntok partner, pero pag masakit na yung chan mo partner.
Ah, mahirap na yan.
Yes, partner. Mahirap na makarecover ng partner. Yan
Talaga
partner
na-
oh.
Talaga nasasaktan siya.
Yan partner, body na yung pinupunteriya ng kalaban ni Orbita.
Saktan talaga si Kuyos partner.
Yan
Tumakbo
partner.
na ng
Tuwalya partner.
Tolya partner, sayang. Pero ganda. Ganda sana ng
Panalo po
performance.
si Orbita by TKO.
Talo po si Pagulong. Jumari Pagulong.
Next bout is si Villarosa na po. Villarosa versus Labajo.
Magandang
Yan, yan.
magandang bout ito kasi championship bout youth Philippine belt. So medyo maraming mangyayari dito.
Ladies and gentlemen, result of this bout.
This is next bout is a championship belt. So
Next bout po is GAB Championship between Claire Villarosa versus John Ray Labajo.
yes.
Yeah, partner, magaling tong mga boxer na to, partner. Kasi hindi ka basta-basta lalaro ng championship kung hindi ka top boxer eh, right?
Anyway, congrats pala kay Jericho Orbeta. Gusto niya na manalo. So,
Shoutout din po sa lahat ng viewers, 501 viewers. Paki-share and live and share and follow po ng Sandman Boxing TV. Thank you po. Yan, sa lahat po ng magpapa-shoutout. Ayan, lapag nyo na po ang inyong pangalan